Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Google Photos and confirming you're signed into the account that's uploading your images. Once done, tap your profile avatar at the top right to reveal account options. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi so changes save without using cellular data. You do not need to delete photos yet. The goal is to stop automatic uploads. This first step gets you to the exact settings screen where the auto backup control lives so you can switch it off immediately. Now go into Photos settings and choose Backup and Sync. You'll see a prominent toggle. Turn that toggle off to stop further automatic uploads. Make sure to also tap the cellular upload option and disable it if you want to prevent any background transfers when off Wi-Fi. Check the section for device folders or camera upload and turn off any specific folders that you don't want uploaded. These actions stop both new uploads and background syncing without deleting anything from your device. Finish by returning to your profile and confirming Backup and Sync now shows off. That's your main confirmation. Next, open iPhone settings and turn off background app refresh for Google Photos so it can't wake and upload in the background. If uploads still occur, sign out of the Google account inside the app or reinstall Google Photos to reset stuck processes. Troubleshooting tip: if images still upload, temporarily revoke Photos access to the app. Then regrant only viewing, not upload permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.